guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make DIY book cover.
So in this video I'll be showing you with both books, the bigger one and the smaller one. So first we need an A4 size and the plastic sheet. You can find this with any files, then markers, first of all we can start by coloring on top of the plastic sheet. Later we need to use a spray bottle to spray on top of the marker's ink. Then we have to place our A4 size on top of the ink. Then flip it over and spread the ink to all the sides. Then remove the plastic sheet. Wipe out the excess water from the side. Now I'm going to do the top part of the paper. I'm going to be using pink, yellow and blue. Do the same method for the rest of the paper. Now our first paper is completed. Now this is for the smaller book. I'm going to be using green and blue color. As same as before, do the same method. For this one I'm going to do blue for the top part.
So finally our book is completed. This is a small one. And this is the big one. So that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to try it out. It's pretty simple and it looks really amazing. Subscribe, like and share. And using the same method, I also made some bookmarks too.